Angelo again. I have a short video tonight about a little project that I done this afternoon. It's been an Atari ST 520, and it's been here for a while. I got that Atari like for probably 2 3 years ago. I was saving them as a project because I had no time to work on it or do anything at all. So right now, as you guys can see, all over here is a big mess. I'm moving stuff. I'm selling, trying to sell all my whole collection. I'm just gonna keep some few things. But anyway, I got to a box today and I saw that Atari on it. I said, "Wow, let's see what's going on that." So I took everything apart, and I saw when I opened up, I saw, "Wow, there's something interesting." That Atari has 1 megabyte mod already on it. Someone did before. So I tried to plug it in again and turn on, nothing. So I took everything apart. I got the board, and I saw. Let me just twist the camera here. That's the baby that I'm talking about. And let me just disconnect the cables for now. I can reconnect them in a few minutes. I just want to show you guys here. So that's the 520. That's the board number, the revision echo. I just got the keyboard and the mice also. So when I open up and I got the board in my hands like that, I saw something very peculiar and very nice. Do you guys see here? Yeah, they already have 1 megabyte on board. But see, like that glue right there. See, I still have to clean it up, finish to clean up everything that the glue. And right here has a big blob of that glue and was really corroded. Like you guys can see here, it started to do a little corrosion on it. See? But right here was like really corroded all around here. I said, wow. So I clean it up, plug it in again, it's still the same. So I got the meter and start to follow that line back to here, goes here, and they were supposed here is a jumper through the other side of the board. I then got to the other side and was no continuity. So wow, that track is open. So what I did, I posted the picture a little bit earlier. See, that track came all over on that side of the board. So I put a little piece of wire, I resolder here and go to the other side. As soon as I plug it back, everything was working fine. I said, wow, nice. But before that keyboard, that is how it is right now. But I have another Atari here. Well, I have a few of them here that I've been working today. But the original keyboard that was on that Atari is that one right here. That is still like, no, not that one here. Only the keys, as you guys can see, was all yellow and missing few keys. So what I did, I have that a 1040, but the 1040 has a different connector. See how thin is that one here? And on the 520 itself, the connector is quite larger. Let's just get back on here. You guys can see here. So what I did, that's a 1040 ST that's right there. That ST is giving me a lot of trouble lately. I said, you know why? I'm gonna use that as a donor. So I got the keys. I swapped out all the keys from that keyboard with that one, and right now looks really nice and clean. And let me just connect back everything here. There's the keyboard, the mice, power. That's the weird cable for power for that ST. That ST is crazy. And by the way, that is the 520 STM. I think so, STM, that has a modulator on it. And also I have few of those flop disks that came with the other ones right there. So after I soldered that, I just plug it back, and as soon as I plug it back, that's what I got. Sweet. Drive start to read. And everything is working fine now. The only thing that I need to do right now, let me just shut down here. I'm gonna do a good cleaning on that board, on the top side and on the bottom. And that's the case that it's on it. It's a little bit dusty, but they're in pretty good condition. Just a little bit dusty. I'm gonna do a wash them really well and put everything back. And I'm gonna show you guys later on how each goes up and how they came up after the whole cleaning and everything. And as I said, well, I really happy with that right now, especially that is 1040 ST in a body of a 520. So that's all, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. And let me just get back here, unplug everything again. And just show you one more time. Right here is all the RAMs. And here is probably the addressing lines to control the extra 512. And that's it. Everything else, the board is being clean. Looks like it's not like worked before or anything. But that's nice. I just need to do a little cleaning and you'll be all set. One more for selling, or maybe I'm gonna keep that one and get the another one that I was thinking to keep for myself and sell that one, because that one is just a regular 520 and doesn't have any mods or anything. But this one here seems to be a little bit nicer than the other one. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit the button on the bottom and subscribe to my channel. In the next few days, I'm gonna tell you guys what's really is going on here. And until there, keep posted, okay? See you soon. Bye.